everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is going to be all about how I store and organize my chronic illness supplies. I asked you guys a while ago if you wanted this video, and to my surprise, a bunch of you said yes, so I figured I would do it. I absolutely love watching other people's videos on how they organize all of their medical supplies, and figured I would do one as well. I will try to leave all of the products mentioned in this video down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And just to give you guys a quick little overview, I have multiple food allergies, multiple medication allergies, as well as asthma, ADHD, anxiety, and a bunch of others. And also keep in mind, this is not absolutely everything, but it is the majority of my stuff. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is just where I store all of my supplies, and this is just a large sized Sterilite cart that has 3 drawers. I just got it from Walmart, and I'm just gonna go through everything, and this does sit right in front of my closet. However, since it is on wheels, I can easily drag it out and move it if I need to get in my closet. So this is everything that I have on top. Right here, I just have a basket from Dollar Tree, and in here, I just have a bunch of empty medicine bottles, and I actually like to keep these in case we go on vacation. That way I don't have to bring my entire supply of medication with me. I can simply put them in these. Also, these work great for storage for medical supplies in general, and I even keep the liquid ones. All I do is wash them out really well. And then right here I have another bin from Dollar Tree, and this just has all of my returnable water bottles so that I can recycle them. And then there are just these 3 drawers that I'm going to go through. So starting right here in this top drawer, this is just what it looks like. I'm going to quickly go through and tell you guys where all the containers are from. These clear ones right here that are square, along with these ones, are from Dollar Tree. This one is from the Target spot years ago, and then these ones are from Walmart. And I'm going to start and go through and show you guys everything, and start from the left and go over to the right. So here on this left side is my most used section, and this teal container right here has all of my daily medications. I do have a pack of wipes over it, and I'm not going to be showing you guys because it does have all of my information on everything. But under all these are my daily pill bottles, and I also have an extra pill container. And then moving towards the back section, I have a little cup that we lost the lid to for our Tupperware, so I decided to go ahead and use it. And in here I just have a few of the disposable medicine cups. I have an extra inhaler. This one's actually a mini Ventolin inhaler that I got on the day of my surgery for my gallbladder removal. They wanted me to take this before I went into surgery, and I didn't have mine with me, so they went ahead and gave me one. Right here I just have some Visine eye drops for redness relief, some prescription eye drops for irritation. I also have some artificial tears. Behind that I have a sample of the Allie Sleep. Over here I have a bunch of alcohol prep pads. I get these at Dollar Tree. They come in boxes of 100, and I use them for literally everything. They are really great for wiping things down and stuff like that. Under that is just a soap container from Walmart that I put packets of medications in, such as Tylenol packets, Benadryl packets, and stuff like that. And then sitting next to all of that is just an aromatherapy roller ball, and this is the Deep Relax roller ball from Aromatherapy Associates London. I got this in a FabFitFun box, I believe. And then behind that I just have an extra children's ibuprofen. Yes, I use mostly children's medications because my body metabolizes them better than the adult ones. Behind that I have 2 emesis bags. These are just from the hospital. I always make sure to grab a few of these when I go to the hospital or the doctor's office and they are available. They are great to take with you on the go because you never know when you're gonna have any incidences, and they are just great to have. I have a hand sanitizer back here, some of the Neosporin foam antiseptic cleaner, and then I also have a bottle of vitamin E. Moving on to the middle right here, back here I just have a bunch of the medicine cups that come with things like ibuprofen and liquid Benadryl. And what's really neat about these is most of them fit in the standard medicine bottles, and so what I like to do is when I go and fill up my pill container, I like to put 7 of the pills in there and put it on top. That way I can easily just go through and line them up into each day of the week. Right here I just have a bunch of different ointments. On the side right here I just have a bunch of packet ointment samples. I have some bacitracin zinc ointment. This works way better than Neosporin, and it helps wounds to heal a lot faster in my opinion. I have some Aquaphor, and then I do also have some Neosporin. And then in this very front one one, I just have my water earplugs. I don't use these that often because I haven't been going swimming a lot, but when I do, I usually wear them because I am very prone to ear infections as well as swimmer's ear. And then the rest of these things in this little cup are just basic first aid supplies. And then moving all the way over to the right side, this container in the back is all of my pain relief, and this container in the front is all of my GI related medications. And then over on the side here, I just have a few heat patches. These ones are from Dollar Tree and they have a bunch of different types and they actually work really well. These ones work especially well if you have cramps. Back here in this back one, I just have a bunch of syringes and almost empty bottle of the liquid ibuprofen. This is my pain medicine from when I had my gallbladder out. And then right here, I just have the 8-hour arthritis pain relief from Walmart, ibuprofen PM from Walmart, the children's ibuprofen chewables from Walmart, another liquid ibuprofen from Walmart, and then I also have a larger bottle of the liquid ibuprofen, but this one is from CVS. And over here I also have some earache drops. These are just from Highlands and they are homeopathic and they are really helpful if you have any ear pain associated with an ear infection, pressure buildup, swimmer's ear, and stuff like that. And then this is just a sample of Blue Stop Max, which is massage gel for body aches, and I got this at Sam's Club as a free sample. And then way down here in the front is all of my GI related medications. If you guys don't know, I do not have a gallbladder, which comes with a bunch of different issues on their own. Right here I just have some travel Pepto. I also have a tube of Tums. Right here is just some Dulcolax. I have a prescription for Zofran, which I actually do not use very much anymore, which I will tell you guys about in a minute. Some Miralax. This was mainly for after I had my gallbladder out, because when you are on pain medications, you can get pretty backed up and it is very uncomfortable. I have some stomach relief, which is basically Walmart's version of Pepto, some Fazim gas and acid, and let me tell you, this is the best gas reliever ever, and I took this every day after I had my gallbladder out and I didn't have any issues with the extra air. None of it moved up to my shoulders or anything like that. I actually have an entire video on my tips, tricks, and what I bought when I was shopping in preparation that I will leave down below. Right here is just a stool softener and stimulant laxative, and then some anti-diarrheal. Let me tell you, when you don't have a gallbladder, this becomes your best friend. I have some C-bands for nausea. I have some more anti-diarrheal. These ones are just the gel caps. And then I also have this stuff right here called Nausine, and let me tell you, this is the best nausea medicine I have ever tried. They are literally just chewable tablets, and this works better than the prescription Zofran. And you can find this at Walmart, and you can actually take it multiple times within a sitting. However, I have never had to do that because it literally works almost instantly. And that is everything in this top drawer, and now we are going to move down to the middle drawer. So this is just the middle drawer. Like I said, this is mostly just my allergy and asthma related drawer. And again, starting from left to right here in the front, I just have some of the little travel packs of the Clorox wipes. I bring these everywhere because I wipe down pretty much every surface that I am sitting at, because you never know what someone has eaten there. And I have a bunch of allergies such as peanuts and tree nuts and latex and stuff like that, so I always have these with me. I get these from Dollar Tree, and I do have a video showing you guys what is in my little allergy bag, but if you guys want to see an updated one, definitely let me know. And then right here on top of this bucket, I just have a first aid kit. This is from Target. They are $5, but if you buy 3 first aid products, you can actually get them free. This is one of the old designs. These are great for taking with you on the go and storing things. This is what I mainly used to use to keep all of my Epi-Pens, Benadryl, and stuff like that in. However, it does not fit in my current allergy bag, so I have switched to something smaller. Right here, I have an extra set of face masks since we are in a global pandemic. These ones are just from Target. And then I have this bucket right here from Target. In here, as you guys can see, I just have a bunch of supplies such as my allergy alert bracelets, some of my Epi-Pen carrying cases. All of these under this laminated sheet are AviQ Epi-Pens, and then I have a generic set as well as a backup of my daily inhaler. I also have a few spy belts back there. And before I go further, these containers are from Target Dollar Spot, and then again, these ones are from Walmart. Right here in the front, I just have a spare inhaler. This one's not the one that I use anymore, but I keep it as a backup because it is still full full. And then I just have an extra boot for my current inhaler. If you guys don't know, these can get pretty clogged up. So whenever one runs out, I always like to save it, clean it out with a Q-tip, and just have it as a backup in case the little part in it gets blocked up. I have some Vicks VapoRub. I have backups of the liquid ibuprofen. I have an extra box of the alcohol wipes, another one of my inhalers right here, as well as the liquid for my nebulizer. And then over here I have the box for my Ember Wave bracelet, which I have an entire video on that will be linked down below. It is just basically a personal thermostat bracelet and has changed my life. I have some liquid Benadryl. I have the My ID tag. I actually just got this, and if you guys would like to see an entire video on it, let me know. I work with My ID all the time, and I actually have a coupon code for you guys that will be linked down below and can get you free shipping on your order. This is one of their newer products, and it's really cool because literally all you have to do is touch it to your phone and all your medical information comes up. I have a travel peak flow meter. This just has an extra propeller sensor in it. And if you are confused, this is what a propeller sensor is, and basically every time you actuate your inhaler, it sends information to your phone. It sends the direct location in which it was used, how many puffs are taken, and then you can also add things like triggers, and it just gives you a log of your asthma. This is especially helpful for your doctors when they're asking you how your asthma is, because you can actually print off a report that will bring up all the information. If you'd like an entire video on these, I can definitely do that as well and share how you can get these. I have some more Benadryl. This is just in the adult pill form, an extra inhaler spacer, an extra headlight, as well as this random container that is from Dollar Tree. And then right here I just have a Pelican case, and this has Benadryl, 2 different Epi-Pens. It has the Avihu Epi-Pens as well as the generic ones, as well as more of my laminated information, and I absolutely love these. They float, they are waterproof, and these are especially great for the summer if you are going to the pool, the lake, the beach, out on a boat, or anything like that. And I just have an Under Armour lanyard attached to it so I can throw it around my neck if need be. So that is everything in the middle drawer, and now moving on to the last drawer. So this is just the bottom drawer. This is more of a junk and random drawer. Right here I just have a bubble mailer from My ID, along with a bunch of extra My ID supplies in here. Under that I have this container which is from Dollar Tree, and under this face cloth is more of my medications, but they are ones that I do not use on a regular basis. I have some of these throat relief pops from CVS. These are great if you have a sore throat, and they are especially great after you have had surgery and you've been intubated, because afterwards your throat hurts a ton, and these are very soothing, and I got these when I had my gallbladder out. And then over on this side I just have a bunch of trash bags. These are the ones that I use in my trash can. They are just from Glad, and they actually have drawstrings, which is nice, and they are meant for small trash cans, and they have the Febreze scent to them, and this one is in the Beachside Breeze scent. They smell really good, and my favorite part is that they do have the drawstring. And then I have these Glad Febreze ones. These are the Hawaiian Aloha ones. These ones, however, do not have the drawstring, as you can see, which is why they are pretty much unused, because I cannot stand when bags do not have a drawstring, because tying these up does not work. I have some saline wound wash, some daily fiber single dose powder packs, and I got these after I had my gallbladder out to help get myself back on track from having all the pain medications. I have some Febreze to go right here. This is just the original Gain scent. And then over here I just have a bunch of creams, some first aid gloves, 2 more inhaler spacers, and then under that is some bandages. So that is just currently how I have been storing everything. And I think I've been doing this for close to a year now. I just find it really helpful to have it all in one place, and I feel that the Sterilite drawers do a really good job at keeping everything organized, along with all the containers that I have in it. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If there are any other medical or chronic illness related videos you would like to see, leave your suggestions in the comments section and I will try to get to them. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!